We're diving into a common yet essential task: how to change the date and time on your iPhone. Whether you're traveling across time zones, adjusting for daylight saving time, or simply syncing up your device with the real world, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step approach to effortlessly update your iPhone's timekeeping settings. To begin, grab your iPhone and navigate to the home screen. Tap on the gear icon labeled Settings to open the iPhone's Settings panel. Within the Settings app, locate the General section and tap on it. Scroll down the General settings until you find the Date and Time section. This is where you'll access all the options for managing your iPhone's time settings. Tap on Date and Time to proceed. Upon entering the date and time settings, you'll be presented with two options. Set automatically. This setting allows your iPhone to automatically adjust the date and time based on your current location. It uses cellular data or Wi-Fi to connect to time servers and ensure accuracy. Set manually. This option gives you full control over the date and time settings on your iPhone. You can manually set the time and date according to your preference. If you choose to set the date and time automatically, your iPhone will handle everything for you. Simply enable the Set Automatically option, and your device will automatically update the date and time based on your location. If you prefer to manually set the date and time, follow these steps. Disable the Set Automatically option. Tap on the Time Zone field and select the appropriate time zone for your location. Tap on the Date field or Time field and use the Date and Time picker to manually set the current date and time. If you prefer to use the 24-hour time format, tap on the 24-hour time toggle switch to enable it. This will display the time in a 24-hour format instead of the standard AM/PM format. Once you have made your desired changes to the date and time settings, tap on the Back button in the top left corner of the screen to save your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the date and time on your iPhone. Whether you prefer to set it automatically or manually, you now have the knowledge to keep your iPhone's timekeeping accurate and synchronized with the real world. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.